Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 3rd of September 2020 Shift 2 question number 12. If relation R1 A comma B where A comma B belongs to R and A square plus B square belongs to Q and R2 is equal to A comma B where A comma B also belongs to R and A square plus B square is not belongs to Q, then four options are given. First relation says that A square plus B square is a rational number, and second relation says that it is not rational number. So this is a memory based question and the question is in the house of relation. So at first R1 is equal to given here this and this, and let's suppose A is equal to for R1 relation A is equal to suppose 1 plus root 2, B is equal to 1 minus root 2 and C is equal to 8 to the power 1 by 4. So A comma B implies A square plus B square is equal to 1 plus root 2 plus 1 minus root 2 whole square. That is equal to, after calculating, it becomes 2, 2 and 2 is equal to 6 and A plus minus cancelled off. So it belongs to, it is a rational number also and it belongs to Q. Now it is in relation. Now B comma C is what? It is B square plus C square. B comma C is equal to B square plus C square is equal to B is equal to 1 minus root 2 whole square plus C 1, it is 1 by 4, 8 to the power 1 by 4 square, that is equal to it is 4 to the power half 2, so it is 3, also belongs to Q. And once again C comma A or A comma C, it is C square plus A square. It is also in relation C square plus A square, that is equal to C is equal to 8 to the power 1 by 4 square plus A square is equal to 1 plus root 2 whole square, that is equal to 3 plus, we may say 3 plus it is 3 and it is 4 root 2. 4 root 2 that does not belongs to, it is not a rational number, so that not belongs to Q. Therefore we may say R1 is not transitive. So R1 is not transitive. Now for relation 2, relation R2, let's suppose A is equal to a number 1 plus root 2, B is equal to a number only root 2 and C is equal to a number 1 minus root. Student may change this number according to their choice. For A comma B, that implies A square plus B square and it is equal to 1 plus root 2 whole square plus root of 2 whole square, and it is 5 plus 2 root 2 after calculating, which does not belongs to Q because it is not rational number. And secondly, B comma C implies B square plus C square that b is equal to root 2 whole square and c is equal to 1 minus root 2 whole square, and that is equal to we may say 2, and then it is 5 minus 2 root 2, that also does not belongs to q. So it is in relation, and not rational number, and a comma c is what? It is a square plus c square, and a square is equal to 1 plus root 2 whole square, and c square is equal to 1 minus root 2 whole square, that is equal to 6, and it belongs to q. So it is a rational number. So here we say R2 is not transitive, because 2 is not rational number and 1 is rational number. So R2 is not transitive. Therefore R1 is not transitive and R2, so both R1 and R2 is not transitive here. So our option is option 2. R1 is not transitive and R2 is not transitive. So we reached. Here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.